Okay, Paul from Steering Wheel Restoration. I've got a Derby Bentley steering wheel here that we've made from scratch. These were fitted on Derby Bentleys in the late 30s that they used the 3-spoke. Prior to that, used 2 different types of 4-spoke wheel. But these 3-spoke wheels are prone to breaking at the boss. Now, this is the original steering wheel that came off the boss, and as you can see, it's been welded. It was welded to the boss and across the spoke where it had snapped, and you can see the chrome work has decayed. I even had a customer who tried welding one of these up himself and set fire to the celluloid on the outer rim. A complete disaster until we remade another one. But the one we've made, this one retains the original front ring, which has been replated, and the boss, which has been replated, and we've riveted it onto our new stainless steel steering wheel here, and you can see it's an exact copy of the original with the finger grips, the features on the ends of the spokes there, and you can see the stainless steel, to all intents and purposes, looks like the chrome, but it won't obviously tarnish and flake like this in the future.